Welcome back to our home audio, budget tech, and entertainment gear showcase. Today, we are breaking down a highly accessible audio package built for anyone looking to dramatically elevate their television or desktop computer sound without emptying their wallet. The GEOYEAO 2.1 Channel Soundbar and Subwoofer combo is a 100-watt home theater system engineered to deliver crisp high frequencies, adjustable deep bass, and Dolby Atmos compatibility. It is very valuable to address a standard industry detail regarding budget home theater hardware right from the start. When you look at an entry-level audio setup, you shouldn't expect it to feature a dozen physical speakers throwing sound all around the room. Instead, this system focuses its engineering exactly where it matters most, using a true 2.1 architectural layout. This means your critical dialogue, stereo pans, and high frequencies are isolated inside the main left and right soundbar drivers, while the power-hungry low frequencies are routed straight to a separate, dedicated subwoofer cabinet. The primary structural and digital triumph of this GEOYEAO setup centers completely on its spatial audio decoding capability and its customizable low-end response. Even at a highly aggressive budget price point, the soundbar features built-in Dolby Atmos processing. When you feed it a modern movie or video game audio track, the processor handles that spatial metadata to expand the stereo field, introducing a three-dimensional sense of depth and separation that makes the audio feel like it is extending past the edges of the physical bar. This spatial soundstage is anchored by a high-output external subwoofer that injects substantial weight into movie special effects and music playlists. To make sure the sound fits your room perfectly, the system features dedicated, adjustable deep bass control built directly into the remote, letting you easily dial the low-end rumble up or down depending on whether you are watching a late-night drama or playing an explosive first-person shooter. But what makes the GEOYEAO system a remarkably versatile addition to an apartment, bedroom, or home office is its exhaustive input matrix and clean, low-profile aesthetics. The soundbar is built with a highly compact footprint, allowing it to sit seamlessly under a smart TV frame, line up perfectly beneath a desktop computer monitor, or hook up to a portable entertainment projector. On the rear connection panel, you get a full suite of modern connectivity options, including a high-speed HDMI ARC port for seamless single-cable television connection, a digital optical input, a classic analog AUX jack, and a USB port. When you want to transition from watching a film to listening to your favorite music, the onboard high-bandwidth Bluetooth engine pairs instantly with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop for stable wireless audio streaming. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below.